Let's learn about interpreting temperature drops with absolute value. The temperature dropped negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit overnight. What is the absolute value of this temperature drop, and what does it signify? All right, let's take the absolute value. We have negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit. If we're taking the absolute value of negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit, the absolute value of a negative number is determining how far is that number from zero. Essentially the same thing, it just has to be positive, right? The distance from negative 15 to 0 is a positive 15. So what does that mean? We have a positive 15 degrees Fahrenheit. We're referring to the drop. We're dropping 15 degrees Fahrenheit. When I talk to somebody about this, I wouldn't say, oh, we drop negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Generally, you would say, oh, it dropped 15 degrees Fahrenheit from the previous temperature. So it decreased 15 degrees Fahrenheit. You wouldn't say you decreased to negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what it's kind of showing here. We're dropped here 15 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit, that difference there from the other temperature, which we don't know, but that's what it is. I hope you learned something here about interpreting temperature drops with absolute value. And as always, thanks for watching.